Hi, I am Polar Pete with Real Power.
Building a data center without the right machines is risky. One wrong cut to the cable can cost hours, even delay the entire project.
Power cables this size weren't meant for hand tools. One mistake and you're set back hours. And don't forget safety.
Poor handling turns every step into a hazard.
That's why Real Power machines matter. Automated cutting and precision spooling, built for data centers. Power cables. Data cables. Faster, safer, cleaner installs. That's the Real Power way. Real Power Industrial. Custom designed for your specific application.